Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chrysler Town and Country key fob. First, gather all key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. You will need to have at least one working key fob to begin the self-programming sequence. This method is for adding new fobs or reprogramming existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged before starting. To start, sit in the driver's seat with all key fobs. Insert your currently working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine. Observe the security light on your dashboard. It should illuminate and then turn off after about 10 seconds. Once the light is off, quickly remove the working key from the ignition. Immediately after removing the working key, insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn this new key to the on position within 15 seconds. Again, do not start the engine. The security light will illuminate and then turn off, confirming the key's recognition. Once the light is off, turn the new key to off and remove it from the ignition. Now, test all your key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and start the vehicle correctly. If you have more than one new key fob to program, repeat the steps for each additional fob within 30 seconds of the previous one. This ensures all fobs are linked to your vehicle's system. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.